With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. Here the question is select the incorrect statement. Okay, here we have to select the incorrect statement out of the following four statements. Okay, statements are: first, neuroglial cells provide support to the neurons. Second is neuron cells are capable of conduction. Third is neurons are capable of regeneration. And fourth is glial cells provide protection by phagocytosis. Okay, let's start with the first statement, which is neuroglial cells provide support to the neurons. Okay, as we know that neuroglial cells, which are also known as glial cells, they are the non-neuronal cells which are present in the CNS, brain and spinal cord, as well as PNS, which is peripheral nervous system, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, right? They are non-neuronal cells. Therefore, we can say that they do not produce electrical impulses. Okay, they do not produce what? They do not produce electrical impulses. Therefore, the main function of neuroglial cell is that the neuroglial cells provide support and protection to the neurons, provide support and protection to the neurons. Okay, this is the correct statement here. Next statement here is neuron cells are capable of conduction. As we know that neurons are what? Neurons are the fundamental unit of nervous system, right? Neurons are the fundamental unit of nervous system, right? The two main functions of neurons are irritability and conductivity. Okay, irritability and conductivity. Conductivity means they have the ability to transmit what? Ability to transmit impulse, okay, from one neurons to other, okay, transmit impulses. Therefore, we can say that the conduction is the main function of neurons. This statement is also true here. Next is neurons are capable of regeneration. This statement is false here. Why? Because neurons can only repair or replace, right? Neurons can only repair the damage or replace themselves. Okay, they do not have the capacity of regeneration. Okay, that's why it's a false statement. Answer here. Next, but let's also discuss the last statement, which is glial cells provide protection by phagocytosis. This statement is true here. Why? Because we know that the microglia, which are the specialized macrophages, which are capable of phagocytosis, right? Phagocytosis, and they protect the neurons of CNS. Okay, they protect the neurons of CNS. Okay, Therefore, this statement is also true here. Here we have to discuss the incorrect statement, which is the third answer here. Okay, the correct answer will be neurons are capable of regeneration. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.